Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and I am excited to do game dev series with Allegro 5. So we've learned enough C++ to do a game dev series, and the external library we're going to be using is Allegro 5. Allegro 5 is made just for game development, and it has features such as shape drawing. You can make lines, points, and rectangles, triangles, different shapes. You can actually load sprites or a piece of image that is like used for the game. You could load background image. You could change screen color, all that fun stuff. You could even load sounds. So a little bit of a background for Allegro. It stands for Atari Low Level Game Routines, and it was originally created by Sean Hargreaves, hopefully I'm not butchering his name, for the Atari ST in the early 1990s. His platform is dying, and he banned Allegro. And then 1995, Borland C++ and DJGPP, which is a DOS compiler, supported Allegro. And then when Allegro went to 2.0, version 2.0, the Borland C++ dropped support for some weird reason, and DJGPP is the only supported compiler. So around 1998, Allegro branched out to several versions. So there's a port for Windows, there's a port for Unix, and which WinAllegro for Windows was created, and XWinAllegro for Unix is created. And there's like various ports that are brought together, and that made Allegro 3.9 WIP versions, with Allegro 4.0 being the first stable version of Allegro to support multiple platforms. In other words, it came out, Allegro 4 is cross-platform. There's few people that use Allegro 4, and I used Allegro 4. It's geared towards C, in my opinion, and there's some parts that are like not really good practice. Then Allegro 5, I think in like 2010 or around that time, Allegro 5 came out, and it's geared towards C++. Even though the library itself is written in C, it's made to gear towards C++. It's also geared towards hardware acceleration. It's event driven. There's like a lot of add-ons. There's a lot more flexibility with the type of image file that you're loading. Allegro 4 only does bitmap, unless you have found a way to load in PNG or JPG. But Allegro 4 only supports bitmap. So Allegro 5 is still in development, still being improved as of now. And so far, Allegro 5 is very stable and very usable. There are manuals out there that you could look at, and I could put a link to the description. And also, there are two channels that did a tutorial on Allegro 5. The first one is Coding Made Easy, and the second one is Mike Geig, or Mike Geig TV. So you could search them, and you could look at their videos. But mine is gonna be different. It's gonna be the things that I've learned, and also things that are on the manual that some of you guys are probably unaware or are having a hard time understanding. So that's my aim for this. In the next video in this series, I'm going to be showing you how to install Allegro 5, because we're not going to get it from the internet. MySys2 has built-in packages for different external libraries. So if you're looking for Allegro 5 to install and link it to your project, MySys2 has it. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that in the next video. So I look forward to making this series, and I thank you guys for watching this video. So if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're on YouTube, BitChute, and BitTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you're on Flare, please follow my channel. If you're on Library, please follow my channel and download my video. And if you want to help out my Library channel, you could press the tip button and you could donate the amount of library credits that you want to donate to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.